Hello guys and welcome to the channel. If you are looking for the perfect hairstyle for your princess, cornrows are more than just a hairstyle. They are a vibe, and today we are counting down the trendiest cornrow ideas for little girls that are stunning, cute, adorable, and very easy to maintain. First up, let's take a look at the hat braid hairstyles. This hairstyle is a total fan favorite. By adding a simple heart-shaped design on the side, you turn basic cornrows into a work of art. Remember to use a bit of edge control for those crisp, clean lines. And to level things up, try zigzag parts or crisscross designs. This hairstyle looks super intricate, but it's actually quite simple once you get the pattern down. It's a great way to show off some serious style at the next birthday party. So in this video is a compilation of beautiful, cool cornrow braid hairstyle ideas you can try for your little girl. I hope this video inspired you. Do well to watch this video to the end to see all the styles we have compiled just for you. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.